Hello and welcome to our video on 10 myths about dogs. If you're a dog owner or just love spending time with these furry friends, you might have heard some misconceptions about dogs that simply aren't true. In this video, we'll be debunking some of the most common myths about dogs to help you better understand and care for your canine companion. Myth number 1. Dogs age 7 years for every human year. This is a common myth that is often used to estimate a dog's age. However, it's not entirely accurate. The aging process for dogs varies based on breed, size, and lifestyle. For example, a small dog may age more quickly than a larger breed. It's important to consult with your veterinarian to determine your dog's age and how to properly care for them at different stages of life. Myth number 2. Dogs are colorblind. Contrary to popular belief, dogs are not entirely colorblind. While they do not see colors in the same way that humans do, they are able to perceive some colors and can differentiate between them. Dogs are most sensitive to shades of blue and yellow, and they have difficulty distinguishing between red and green. Myth number 3. Dogs wag their tails when they're happy. While it's true that dogs do wag their tails when they're happy, tail wagging can also indicate other emotions such as excitement, fear, or aggression. It's important to pay attention to a dog's body language and other cues, such as the position of their ears and the intensity of the wag, to determine their emotional state. Myth number 4. You shouldn't wake a sleepwalking dog. It's not uncommon for dogs to experience sleepwalking or sleep running during the REM stage of sleep, just like humans. It's generally not harmful to wake a sleepwalking dog, and they will usually just return to a normal sleep pattern. If you notice your dog sleepwalking frequently or exhibiting unusual behavior during sleep, it's always a good idea to consult with your veterinarian. Myth number 5. Dogs can't look up. This myth is not true. Dogs are able to look up and move their eyes and head in different directions. In fact, many dogs are trained to follow a specific gaze or point with their eyes as a form of communication. Myth number 6. Dogs only drink water when they're thirsty. While it's true that dogs do drink water to quench their thirst, they may also drink water for other reasons such as to cool off on a hot day or to alleviate boredom. It's important to make sure your dog has access to clean, fresh water at all times to keep them properly hydrated. Myth number 7. Dogs can't eat chocolate. Chocolate can be toxic to dogs and can cause symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, tremors, and seizures. The level of toxicity depends on the type of chocolate and the size of the dog. Dark chocolate and unsweetened baking chocolate contain higher levels of the toxic compound theobromine and can be more harmful to dogs. If you suspect your dog has ingested chocolate, it's important to contact your veterinarian or a pet poison control hotline immediately. Myth number 8. Dogs only bark when they're angry or aggressive. Like tail wagging, barking can indicate a range of emotions in dogs. Dogs may bark to communicate excitement, fear, anxiety, or to alert their owners to something. It's important to pay attention to a dog's body language and other cues to determine their emotional state and the reason for their barking. Myth number 9. Dogs can't eat bones. While it's true that some bones can be dangerous for dogs to consume, not all bones are off limits. Cooked bones can splinter and cause blockages or tears in a dog's digestive tract, so it's important to avoid giving your dog cooked bones. However, raw bones, particularly those from larger animals such as beef or lamb, can provide a safe and natural source of calcium and other nutrients for your dog. It's always a good idea to consult with your veterinarian or a professional trainer before introducing bones into your dog's diet. Myth number 10. Dogs can't learn new tricks after a certain age. It's a common belief that dogs, like humans, become less receptive to learning new things as they get older. However, this is not true. While it may take longer for older dogs to learn new tricks or commands, it is still possible with consistent training and positive reinforcement. In fact, keeping your dog mentally and physically stimulated through training and other activities can have numerous benefits for their overall health and well-being. We hope you enjoyed learning about these 10 dog myths and that you now have a better understanding of your furry best friend. Remember to always consult with a veterinarian or professional trainer for the best care and training for your dog. Thanks for watching.